Hey, what's going on? I have a great video for you today because I want you to watch this video all the way to the end. Don't try to skip out. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn $2,500 a month in passive income. This is going to be some autopilot money, and I'm going to share with you how you can make some money online. So I'm going to show you how to set up everything, where you're going to go, and how to get started. But let me know in the comments right now if you have $2,500 today. What would you do with that money? Share with me in the comments if you got 2,500. What would you do? Would you go on a nice vacation? Would you buy a new car? Would you take a trip? Would you go on vacation? Or would you donate the money? I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you got $2,500 right now, what you would do with it. So we're going to get started in the video. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Andre, and I create videos every single day or every other day. I try to make them as frequently as possible so that way you can have hot new strategies, hot new opportunities, so you can go out and you can get started right now. So as I said, I'm going to show you how to earn $2,500 a month in passive income, autopilot, and if you do this correctly, you can even make more money because there's people online that is doing this today, right? So let's get started right away. Now, you probably heard about Amazon before, and it's no secret. Amazon is probably one of the biggest companies in the world today, and they make ton of money, and you can make lots of money on here. So all you have to do is just get a piece of the pie, and you can get started. Now, if you look on this, this is what we call ebooks. So there's tons of ebooks on here that are selling for various prices. There's like $17.62. There's $20 for this book right here. There's $3.99, $4.99. There's book for as high as like $15. There's books for like $14.95. So people are looking to buy books, and if it's something that they're interested in, they will take money and they will pay for it. Look at this, a $19. So it's an evergreen niche that you can tap into, and you can make money consistently, especially with this passive income. So I'm going to show you how to set up everything. So once if you want to come sign up for Amazon, it's very simple. Just go to Amazon.com, just sign up for an account. Or when you sign up for an account, you can get started and you can look at the Kindle section. You can see the different categories that they have. What are they talking about? So if you look on here, there's different type of topics that they're talking about. There's test preparation, there's travel, there's sports, there's LGBT, like lesbian, LGBT group. There's a literature book, there's crafts, hobbies, Christians, book, children. So whatever niche that you want to tap into, you can get a piece of the pie and you can start making money right away using this method that I'm going to share with you. All right. So the first thing you want to do is I'm going to show you how to set this up from start to finish. So to create these books, what you need to do is you can head on over to design.io. So that's designer.io, and what they do on here, they create ebooks and lead magnets to reach more people. So you can transform your blog posts, your podcast, there's videos, PDFs into ebooks, show notes, and all that stuff. So this is a very good website for you to get started. There's like content marketers, there's course creators. Ebooks is what you're more going to be tapping into. So write and publish your ebooks using the our built-in creator to convert the web, convert your web. Sorry. So they come into PDF format, and it's a website. There is you can choose a different source. You can review the draft. Right. As soon as you do that, you can review everything. You could choose whatever templates you want to use. So the templates is available. You can tweak and tune. So there's like 5 easy steps, and then all you have to do is just publish it. Once you publish it, it'll be out there and it'll be easy to access at any time, and you could download right away. So this particular website, it's a designer. There's like a quick 2-minute demo video that you can watch, and it doesn't take a lot of time for you to set this up. So give or take, you can set up the entire thing in like 5 minutes or less. So 5 minutes or less for you to get started to do all this type of stuff, right? That's how cool and easy you could do, because there's people already on Amazon that's already crushing it and they're making a ton of money doing this already. So you could do this too. So if you go to thedesigner.com, ready to create your first ebook in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I said 5 minutes, but there it is. You could set it up in 2 minutes. So you can click on here where it says get started. And if you want to create an ebook, all you have to do is just come on here where it says the features and you can create an ebook. So create it in like 2 minutes, advanced ebook creators, and you can get more sales and all that stuff. So you can watch this quick 2 minute tutorial video, and to save a lot of time, you could save $300 to $1,000 by outsourcing cost and all that. So they do save a lot of money, because creating ebooks could, it could take some money here and there. If you don't have a lot of money, it could take money. And if you want to do it another route, you can always go on Fiverr. They could create an ebook for you. So you can choose from like thousands and hundreds of different templates. You can customize your work, and you're going to be ready to get started. It's like Facebook import, copywriting, free images. So they already did all that, so you don't have to worry about copywriting. So for this particular stuff, this one is a paid method. So you could pay like $29 if you want, and if you have the money, and that's like monthly fee. But what if you don't have the money to get started right now and you're going to start a free trial? So you can start that free trial for 7 days, and you can create as many ebooks as possible. Just consistently make ebooks over and over again. And then if you want, you could stop the service if you want. Or maybe when you start making money, you could just pay for the service. You could pay for whichever one you want, and you could get started. Now, there's another particular website that you can go, right? Another particular website that you could go where you can find, tons of different products. Right? You can go to freeplrdownloads.com. And once you go on freeplrdownloads.com, here's the thing. You don't want to just take this and you just don't want to just upload it and you just call it, that's it. You want to at least do it in a way where you can edit it, you can tweak it. So what I would do, I would come on over here to this PLR downloads, and I would just download a ton of different things. Download a lot of different niches. You could download a lot of different things and tweak it, test it, change some pictures, add some pictures in there, change a couple words, read it, tweak it a little bit as much as possible. You can even change the cover as well. So change the cover. Then you want to head on over here, and then you want to create unlimited ebook templates. Just do it. Just create as much as you want. You can create over 100 different projects. So create unlimited ebooks. Do it over and over consistently. And as soon as you do that, just come on over here to Amazon and you just upload it. Just make it nice. Make it look somewhere like this. And you can put whatever price on here. You can put 15, you can put 7, you can put 8, you can put $10. You can label your price as much as you want. And there's so much traffic and there's so many people going on Amazon consistently. And the reason why I'm doing this is because one of my friends is doing this right now. Right? So he said, hey, you should share this with your audience. And I said, man, I appreciate it. I'm going to make a video on it. And he told me exactly what he's doing. So you can go out there and crush it. So this is not I'm not getting paid to come on here and share these ideas. This is only for promotional use only. So just use it. I'm not getting paid to do this. I'm just sharing my ideas and my tips to you. So this is not a sponsored ad or anything. It's just for, you could try it, you could test it and see if it works. And you can go out there and you can crush some passive income. Some people will make money from it and some people don't make any money. It's just the reality. So the ones who take action and follow through will make this work. So I hope this video helps. I appreciate you. Don't forget, if you're looking for my #1 recommendation, check out the link in the description. I don't want to share exactly what it is, but go see it for yourself and see if it's something that you want to participate in. And I'll be happy to share that with you so you can get started. So thank you so much. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.